Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil on a VW Golf MK7. Park on level ground, engage the handbrake and gather tools. Jack, stands, drain pan, socket set, 5W30 oil and new filter. Loosen the drain plug, remove the plug and drain oil fully into the pan, replace the washer, install the new filter, refill with correct oil amount, check for leaks and test drive. Start by removing the under tray if needed and locating the drain plug and oil filter housing. Use the 17mm socket to loosen the plug and let all oil drain into the pan. Be patient to avoid spills. Clean the drain area, replace the crush washer, and fit the new filter with clean oil on the seal. Reinstall the plug, torque to spec, and wipe away any drips before lowering the car. After replacing the filter and reinstalling the drain plug, add the correct amount of 5W30 oil through the filler cap while the car is level. Start the engine for a short run to build pressure, then shut off and recheck the dipstick to reach the proper mark. Inspect underneath for leaks and ensure the oil level is stable, then use the service menu or reset procedure to clear the oil change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.